Student, I'm so sorry. Just now, I having technical problem because all sudden my laptop have a totally 100% uh battery out. Okay, so I used to actually little bit only. Okay, last is at number 7. Companies that succeeded in growing green will be distinguished by their commitment as well as the performance of the green product. So of course, we want to look into the companies that are able to come up with the idea that able to succeed in growing green product. Okay, and of course how the commitment is come from all top management, middle levels, and also lower level employees. So meaning to say everybody have to give such commitment, especially when lower level, they know what the things they do, right, and they give some idea, and the top management also should arising some welcoming a new idea, fresh idea that can actually embark on this green business. Okay, and yeah, I think that's all for me because this is the 7 things that issues that need to be addressed, and they have a lot of lengthy explanation in my manual. Please do read, students. And last but not least, I have some yeah, here is a good to be agreed, not Toyowa, but we are talking, we are a part of the universe, we are part of environmental friendly to make sure that we can, okay, have some benefit with them. Okay, because every day where we have this oxygen is come from them, and the process of how those carbon dioxide, yeah, and it actually win-win situation, we helping them and they also helping us, right? If we do harm to them, they do harm to us. Example, what happened is during COVID-19 is giving some of brain opener to us that we should bear in mind that we have to keep well our environment. And see, for the 3 months when we do 100% no action, no activity that harming the environment, and you can see the blue sky with a very clean state, and then and and the best thing is you can see all the plantation growing very in a good yeah, very, the fruits, the vegetable are growing very nicely, alhamdulillah. So last but not least, okay, remember, wherever the time that we want to chase for the profit in our company go, at the same time please remind them that we are a part of this environment. Okay, so together to make we are a part of green. All right, thank you so much for listening up to my lecture, even though they have some like technical problem just now. So I hope for the part 4 is quite short here, but at least they have the message that I want to deliver to you. So make sure you do nicely for your individual assignment topic 7. And yeah, inshallah, take care. Hashtag social distancing, use your mask, washing your hand, and singing a song, birthday song. And the best thing is take care yourself. Okay, bye bye, student. Assalamualaikum.